This is another get ready to graduate video. So here's the idea. You're 20, 25 years old and it's time for breakfast. Let's quickly put together a healthy breakfast, not just a donut or something with coffee. Look how fast we can make it. We've got oatmeal, peanut butter. Let's go. So here we go. You put the eggs in here, right? Add a little bit of water. That's what I did. Just a touch. There you go, that's enough. And now into the microwave. Bing! Usually I can do this for about a minute. Let's see, 110, how about that? There we go. While it's cooking, we drop in some oatmeal. That's what I've already done. Put the oatmeal, got some yogurt. Let's throw in a little peanut butter here, right? This is good. It's going to be great. Now, you can do it this way if you want, or you can be a bit more gradual. There we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay, let's see what it looks like. That's not bad. Probably do it a little longer, but that wouldn't. What you're always looking for is to make sure you don't have, mostly you don't want to have that albumin. You want all of that to be white. Let's give it another, 30 seconds? There we go. Okay, here we go. And there you go. That's looking good. Just pour the whole thing in. Why not? That looks good. And we got the eggs. And we're ready to go. Some people just, mix it all in. So in less than about 3 minutes, we've got a healthy breakfast. So thank you for watching. And you can get more of these videos over at the Life Ready channel. We call it Life Ready YouTube. So you put tinyurl.com/LifeReadyYT. Thank you.